Hi, Iman, what is this?
This is 7 days of the week.
But I cannot see here.
Well, this is phonetics, that's the reason.
Okay, let's see. What is this first one?
The first one is S,
Okay.
T,
Okay.
D, A, Saturday.
Very nice. Say again.
S,
A.
T, D, A,
D.
Saturday.
A day. Saturday. Guys, Saturday. Correct. Saturday. S. A. T. A. Sat. D. A. Saturday. Fantastic. The next one.
And then S, N, D, A, Sunday.
Very good. Very nice. This is a
Sunday.
Sunday.
And then this one is also same like that,
Right.
but D, A, Monday.
Very good. Can you try like that? Okay, it's really hard. Then,
T,
yes.
ooh,
Ooh.
ooh,
Very good.
D, A, Tuesday.
Okay. Then,
And then W, N, D, A, Wednesday.
very good. That is very
This
hard,
one is
right?
very hard, yeah.
Okay.
Because here's the sound.
But we say Thursday. This is not Thursday.
It's
Okay. The first one is very hard. Okay. See my facial expression? Okay. So, here.
Now let's spell it.
Z. Then,
D, A, Thursday.
okay. See over here. Okay.
Thursday. It's like,
Again.
like from the mouth, it will come out.
Okay.
Like that.
Okay. Thursday.
Thursday.
Okay. Then,
Then,
this is right?
yeah, it's really
Okay.
easy. Like from here.
Yes.
Or.
Or. The first one is okay. Then okay. Then I fry.
Fry.
Okay.
D, A. It's like gonna fry.
Yeah. The last part is the same sound,
I.
right?
Yeah.
Da I. Da I. Da I.
Like all of them are same.
Okay. It's okay. So thank you.